Hello my friends, Namaste. This natural DMT releasing technique is very, very powerful, especially if you have only a short amount of time. It will take you approximately 5 minutes to really energize yourself, ground yourself, to activate the Muladhara chakra, the root, and bring the energies all the way up to your third eye. Release DMT, activate, decalcify the pineal gland, open up your intuition, experience your higher self. But also be careful, only hold the breath and squeeze after you fully exhale, then you wait for 1-2 seconds, then you inhale fully, and then you squeeze the perineal muscle, bring all the energy up to your third eye. So you breathe in fully, lion's breath out, tongue out, get all the gas, get all the air out, then you inhale fully, exhale, then you start Bhastrika with the belly only for 10 breaths. On the last exhalation, exhale fully, hold for 2 seconds, inhale, belly, diaphragm, chest, hold the breath, squeeze the perineal muscles, activate the Mula Bandha and squeeze the energy up. Focus on the prana flow all the way up to higher chakras. Focus on the point between the eyebrows and the third eye, and then you hold the breath for as long as you comfortably can. You can go a little bit in the stretching zone. Don't go into the pain zone though, otherwise you might faint. We don't want this. You shouldn't get dizzy, you shouldn't faint. Then we can't transform prana into spiritual energy, into ojas, and we will just lose it. We will create tension. That we don't want. We want to actually relax into the practice. So I show you one round, okay? First round I do usually 10 breaths, second round 20 breaths, third round 30 breaths. Sometimes I change the numbers, I start with 20, 25, 30. That's up to you. You start with 10 breaths, second round 15, last round 20 breaths. So I show you one round with 10 breaths. I could have held the breath a little bit longer, but already I feel good. Sometimes you experience in the first round already a DMT release. Of course, some people say no, this is not scientific, this doesn't work. It does, just try it out for yourself, make your own experience. Don't do it when you're pregnant, take a few precautions. If you have problems with your heart, with high blood pressure, epileptic attacks, or you just had a recent brain surgery for example, then don't practice it. Otherwise everyone who is healthy can do it. It's a wonderful practice. Do at least 3 rounds for the most benefit. I have another video already uploaded about this technique where I explain more details and also guide you to a guided breathwork session. Please check it out. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. Namaste.